Hi, I'm Andrea and welcome to Productive C#. In this video, I'm going to talk about the null coalescing assignment operator introduced in C#8. Here I have a console application. I initialize two strings, name and surname, with a value of getName and getSurname. So name will be initialized to null and surname will be initialized to Angela. Then in the main, I have a few lines of code that check if name is null and initializing the name with the default name in case name is null, and the same for the surname. And then I print name and surname. So this code, if I run it, is printing Andrea Angela, because name is null, and then get default name is cold, that returns Andrea, while the second if returns false, so surname is effectively using Angela, that is what get surname returns. This is very simple code. There are different ways to achieve the same result in C# without using if statements. So, for example, we could do using the ternary operator, like using name equals. So if name is null, we could use question mark get default name. Otherwise, return name. You could do something like that, for example. It's a bit ugly, but that does the same job as this if statement, okay? However, we can use the null coalescing expression to make this slightly more readable. So you do name equals name, otherwise get default name if name is null. This is still a bit repetitive, you still need to specify the variable name twice. So starting on C#8, you can do the exact same thing now using a compound assignment, using a null coalescing assignment operator. And you get something like this. Name, question mark equals, and then an expression. And the behavior is exactly identical of doing the if statement. So if name is null, then assign the result of get default name to name. But if his name is not null, nothing happens. This expression effectively does nothing. And you can write the same expression for surname and remove the if statement. So now you've wrote a slightly more compact code that achieved the exact same result. In fact, if I run it, it's still printing Andrea Angela. So this is a very small feature that has been added in C#8, mostly because the community really requested this feature. There was a lot of requests of this feature because it's quite common that in the code bases you have that sort of patterns of checking for null and assigning the variable only if the left variable is null. So for that reason, Microsoft decided to implement this feature in C#8. So it works fairly easily. So the left variable is assigned with the value of the right expression only if the left variable is null. Otherwise, nothing happens. And that's effectively how the null coalescing assignment operator works in C#8. And as you noticed, I've used ReSharper to help me to refactor my code base towards using this assignment. So ReSharper can definitely help you to refactor your code and identify places when you can use this new operator. Thank you very much for watching.